big. Look how huge this flower. Look how beautiful. It's not even night and they are fully open. Look how beautiful these. Okay, we're gonna come back at night to see how we're gonna pollinate all these flowers. Hello dragon fruit lover, the season start. This is sugar dragon. Tonight we have bunch of flowers they're gonna open. Look how beautiful this natural mystic. You see, it's ready to open now. You see the white? This is natural mystic. And this is natural mystic too. Another one. Yeah, tonight, the first night, we're gonna have like a bunch of them. And thanks God, I have different variety. Orihona, we're gonna open too. Big, look how huge this flower. Look how beautiful. Yes, tonight we're gonna be ready for a bunch of the flower. Wow, look this. This is the beauty of that flowers. 1, 2, 3, 4. Connie Meyer. They open early, Connie Meyer. This is KVA. Oh, this is maybe tomorrow they're gonna open. KVA. This one opened last night, but they don't give me too much pollen. We'll see what we're gonna have today. This is Bruni. A lot of buds here. Look how many buds here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bruni give a lot of buds. Yes, we're gonna go at night and see. American Beauty. I'll be back when it's ready, when they are open. This is Bruni too. Beautiful flower. I love the color. It's 8:20. I'm almost there. I'm gonna wait a little bit. Connie Meyer, it's open early. At 7 o'clock, it's already open before it's getting dark. Look how beautiful this flower. I'm gonna give her a little bit more. Maybe half an hour. Natural mystic. Natural mystic, beautiful. Almost there. I'm gonna use the pollen for the front one. And there's one more here over the fence. Yeah, this is natural mystic. I want to take the pollen from natural mystic and use it in Connie Meyer. It's 9 o'clock and it's not fully opened. Look how beautiful. But it's okay. I can work on it like this. Look the difference when the flowers they open. Look this one. This is fully open. I'm gonna bring the vacuum and take one by one. I'm gonna take the Connie Meyer and use the pollen. Here. I want to use Connie Meyer here in Orejona. Or I'm gonna mix Orejona with natural mystic and use it in Connie Meyer. Tomorrow I will have more stuff. This one and this one. This is Zamorano. This is Haley Comet. They're gonna open tomorrow. Another Zamorano here. Tomorrow. I will save some pollen for tomorrow. This brush is very good, but it takes a lot of pollen on it. This is big. I think this size is better. You don't need the big one. This is gonna take a lot of pollen, and the flower they don't need too much pollen. This is, if you don't have too much pollen, this is waste to use this. And I use this tube to save them in the fridge. I use this. And this is my vacuum from Amazon. Handy. I use it to collect all the pollen. I noticed this year the flower they don't give me too much pollen. I don't know why. Let's try this one now. This is the pollen. This is more than enough. I want to use this. This is how I cross-pollination. I take this, which is I collected from Orejona. I wanna pollinate I have here. 1, 2, 4 flowers, Connie Meyer. Just I take a little bit in the brush, you see this? I always keep it under it because any leftover they're gonna go back here. In the middle, just in the middle. This is one. This one, number 2. Just a little bit, you don't need them like 3. And there's one in the middle here, hide it. Okay. And now we're gonna take the pollen from Connie Meyer. Connie Meyer doesn't have too much pollen, that's what I say. I want to take from Natural Mystic. From Connie Meyer, and this is from Natural Mystic. I'm gonna mix them together. Now, this is more than enough. I saved something for tomorrow. Let's go. I mix Connie Meyer with Natural Mystic. I wanna do pollinate Orihona. This is one. This is one more here. Like I said, we put this one down there. I'll try to take some from these to go back to. You can use the brush if you don't have a vacuum. Just put it under it like this, and with the brush you take all the pollen. Okay, we're gonna go to the Natural Mystic now. Yeah, this is the Natural Mystic. I brought it under it. Go pollinate. Just focus in the center a little bit. We have one more. Okay, this is what's left. I'm gonna put it in the tube. This is I want to use them tomorrow. I have more flowers they're gonna open. I save them in the fridge. I put them in the bag, like a small zipper bag. I close it. Just I use a small container. I put these. I close it. Bigger container. I lock it. I take it to the fridge. That's it. Just put it for tomorrow. I hope that's gonna work because I'm losing a lot of fruit this year because I don't have pollen. Last year, the flower they have more pollen than this year, but still, this is country road. It's work, and this one work. I hope these when they open, they're gonna be okay. Each branch, I just keep one in this branch, and one here, and one here, and one here. Each one. You see, just one in each. One in each. Here the same things. Just one here, one here. Coney Meyer, I keep more because they are small. And Sugar Dragon. This one look like it's work. This one work. No, this one's not working. You see? Nobody have answer for that. I pollinate them. This one's good. This one not. This one, I remove it. And I think some of them even like a natural mystic self-pollination, but I still use any pollen I have. I try to mix. Yeah, this is oregano. I love how beautiful. This one look good. This one good. Let the season start. I hope guys you enjoy the videos. Just don't forget to like and share and subscribe. All the season we're gonna have a lot of videos about dragon variety and dragon fruit taste and the flowers and all that. Have a good night, guys. I don't know that possum, what I'm gonna do with it. A lot of small possum here. He's gonna eat the fruit. Anybody have any idea?